Hi, Christophe from retainwithemails.com, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Klaviyo with your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm going to move my head so we're going to be able to see a little bit, but generally you're going to be in the dashboard, the home tab, and to go to integration, you're going to click here and go integrations. Now you click on add integration, and we are looking for Shopify now. So scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to have Shopify right here. Click on it. And then once you have that, you're going to look for your store URL. So go to Shopify, click settings, and you're going to look for domains. Click on domains, and then copy and paste yours inside of Klaviyo. So Control C, Control V here, and here you go. So now you have to select a list to add your subscribers to. So people are going to get subscribed sometimes through Shopify. Where do you want them to land, and where do you want the data to be inside of Klaviyo? Me, I'm going to select newsletter because this is my main list. So select your main list. It might be called differently, and scroll down. Everything is good. This is basically what data you want to be stored inside of Klaviyo. I'm going to select basically everything and then connect to Shopify. Click on integrate now, and it's going to load a little bit. Here we go. The integration has been updated, and now we want to have on-site tracking. So you're going to go to Shopify, then to online store. You're going to click customize, and basically what it's going to do is make sure that when somebody browses your website, the data is stored inside of Klaviyo, and you're going to be able to activate flows based on people's activity on your website. So if somebody sees your product, you're going to be able to send them email. Was this product interesting? Did it pique your interest, and remarket to them based on their behavior? So you're going to click on app embeds and make sure this is ticked on. So you're going to keep it this way and click save. I've already done it, but if you didn't, just do that and make sure you click save after. And now you're going to have that set it up, add viewed product tracked to my site, and make sure this is also ticked, and update settings. Update integration. And here you go. The Klaviyo app embed is now enabled on your Shopify store. Now you're all set. You have all of your integration set it up properly, and I highly recommend you go to the other tutorial showing you how to use Klaviyo and how to get storage for beginners. Also, if you're an e-commerce store, we take care of everything for you. I'm going to basically show a screenshot of what we're able to do right now on the screen. We take that completely off your plate, and we can add 30% to your store revenue in the next month, 2 months, 3 months, etc. So if that's of interest, go to the description, click the first link, and happy to talk to you. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next one.